Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Ernst here, and we are looking at Thursday. So for Thursday, I have a read aloud this time. Last week was Axel, this week's Dine, next week will be Axel again. And then you're continuing to work on that writing. Remember, it's due on Friday. So we're going to be sharing that writing on Friday through our video feed. So please keep that in mind. Okay, we have a game called Guess What? And then we have art, and this one is an obstacle illusion heart. So this is really cool. All right. You also have the choice board if you do not want to do that art. If you've already remembered, if you've already done all these things on the choice board, just go ahead and restart, okay? I have a read aloud for Community Circle, a really cute book about pets. And then for science, you have a weather game that you're going to play. And your assignment is to describe the outfits that they wore in there, and the student can make a way to make rain. One way they can make it is down here. They took sunflower seeds and the orange piece and they got creative to show rain, okay? You guys, don't forget your ice station. That's very, 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 very important, okay? You guys have a good Thursday. Bye!